This is a great Perpetual team that has a lot of potential, John Vic. Lalong-lalo na yung ginawa nila against the Benil Lady Blazers. Last year, they were expected to make it to the Final Four. They had a good start dun sa ating first round. Pero nag-slide sila nung second round na natin.
Medyo kinapos na pagdating. Yun nga yung medyo mahirap pag dating sa mga double round robin. Medyo ubusan talaga. Nagkakasubukan ng conditioning. So, ako, I'm happy na itong nakikita nating format ng tournament, medyo nagkaroon ng twist.
Correct. Dahil this is the first time we're applying and using this format as Perpetual scores their first point. So, Group A, Group B.
Group A, Group B.
Ayan. Lalaban po muna once yung mga groupmates bago tayo mag-crossover and then they'll go back to their groups.
Totoo. Kumbaga kukunin yung top 3 teams sa magkabilang bracket and may chance na magkaroon ng play-in dun sa number 4 and number 5 spot.
So hanggang dulo, di ba? Pupwede pa yung lahat ng teams natin.
Yeah.
Meantime, this is Almeñana on the runner. Here's the setup, high ball. And this is JRU getting the point off an infraction by Perpetual.
If there's one thing na kailangan gawin ng JRU dito against Perpetual is the consistency. Dahil knowing Perpetual, ang laki nung pinagkaiba nila compared dun sa last season. And talagang most of the players are already matured enough to play.
And consistency, that's always been the issue for JRU as we see that combination play for Almeñana.
One of the top scorers dito sa kupunan ng Perpetual. Wow! Ngayon ko lang uli nakita yung combination play na yun. Now, a quick back quick and then open.
Correct. Meantime, babawi dito. Oh, that's good.
Zarina Ramos for JRU.
21 points in the previous game for Ramos. And she scores right here. So we know she has a capability pagdating sa score.
May katulong at makakatulong for JRU.
And here's Ramos serving. Diretso yan kay Lozano. Here's the attack. Yan, Aloña ang nagdala dito kay Deala. Back set for Almeñana is checked. Fifi over to the other side. Omipon forced to improvise. Deala again. Bumalik sa side ng JRU. They go to the pipe. Two players crashing for that dig. Aloña keeping it alive. Longest rally so far. Deala returned. Isa pa sa likod. Still alive. Omipon. Aloña defending it. Shy on the second jump. Deala!
Wow!
Catches the corner!
Martin, this is actually a different JRU Lady Spikers. Grabe yung grabe yung chemistry. Yun ang masasabi ko. Dahil the last season, most of the players are actually nagde-deliver. Pero hindi ganito ka-intact. And sa first game, sa sinasabi natin, first set jitters, iba yung pinapakita ng JRU.
Makikita mo sa galawan nila dito, body language, they're very fluid with their movement. Ooh, that's a quick attack. Para dito sa Perpetual. And that's one of the advantages netong Perpetual because they have big middles. They have tall middles, John Vic.
Yeah. Lagmay from the middle.
Pero mo, may lagmay ka na ganyang katangkad. You're probably around 5'10", 5'11". Tapos may Enrico pa. Oh, what a tip coming from Di Matawaran.
Kung meron kayong lagmay, meron namang Di Matawaran dito sa kupunan ng JRU. Galing. Pinabawi niya agad.
This is Julia Di Matawaran mula sa Ormoc Leyte. Erika Yonko, another first-year player. What a set coming from Ariola, setting up Lagmay again. And that was on the gap. Dun sa gitna.
Pagitan.
Pagitan, ano?
And it's really good to see setters na pinapanood nila yung kilos ng mga blockers.
Yeah. Oh, Lozano
Wow.
with a nice save. This is popped up. Timatawaran again. Here's the second jump. Hindi lang umabot.
Medyo kinapos. Ano yun? Good intention. Medyo wrong execution lang. Sa kumpunan ng JRU. Pero kung naipasok niya yun, medyo mag-iiba yung kwento doon, Martin.
Chance yun. Sana pumuntos para sa JRU. Faulty first ball will resort to a chance ball. Ariola going to Lagmay again. She has been unstoppable in the early moments.
3 straight points para dito kay Lagmay. Minamaximize ni Ariola. Itong si Lagmay dito sa first set.
Dahil dito, John Vic, baka mag-adjust itong JRU kasi isa lang yung bumabantay dito kay Lagmay.
Oo.
Miscommunication dito sa side ng Perpetual.
Pero kung makikita natin, kumagat yung mga blockers ng JRU sa pagkakataon na yun. It's just that hindi lang nagkaroon ng magandang communication itong opener at kanilang setter na si Ariola.
Kasi nakakumpul sila dito sa gitna.
Inabangan nila yung expect na kay Lagmay uli pupunta yung bola.
Yeah. Ariola, here's the pass, too strong this time around. So this enables JRU to tie it up here in the opening set.
Again, sabi ko nga, Martin, consistency is the key. As we can see, itong JRU, ang ganda na pinapakita nila. First ball, service, defense, attack, meron sila.
Despite having multiple first-year players in this lineup, maganda yung galawan. Wow! That is good for Gemaline Menor. So they go back to the 4 right here, John Vic.
And talagang yung middle blockers ng JRU, ibinabantayan ito si Lagmay. Dahil nakailang puntos na ang binigay nito para sa Perpetual.
Kaya kailangan ng bantayan. Deyala, mula naman sa kabila. It's Nicole Deyala. Soaring and scoring right here.
Yeah.
And that's what you like about Nicole as well. Kasi kanina, nandito siya sa open side, lumipat siya sa kabila.
Lumipat. So,
may argue mo na kaliwete siya.
Totoo.
Mapapaganda pa para sa kanya.
Universal player, kumbaga.
Okay. First technical timeout. JRU reaches that point first. When we return, we'll have a report from Ms. Flo Del Agua.
Once again, we're coming to you live from the San Andres Sports Complex. Ito pa rin po ang NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Mga kapuso, let me take you back to November 2024. Ito yung panahon na na-injure ang balikat ni Cyril Almeniana, making her miss almost 1 full year of playing volleyball. Kwento sa akin ni Cyril, dumating pa nga siya sa punto na naubusan na siya ng hope na makakabalik siya. Yet here she is now becoming the go-to girl for the Lady Altas as if nothing happened. Cyril says it was her family, her community, and her God that made her pull through the worst injury of her life. And now here in Season 101, she is proving to us that just because you were in rock bottom doesn't mean you can't be on top. Martin and John Beck.
Thank you, Flo. That's a great story on Perpetual's go-to scorer in Cyril Almeniana. What a journey for her so far. It's been a 2-year journey up until this point, and right now, you know, she has a chance to become a star here in the league.
And the worst thing that could ever happen to a player is yung magka-injury. Yan ang iniwasan ng mga players. Lalo na kung ang season ay may basihan na ng age eh. So magdidepende pa rin sa age and sa playing years mo, yung ilalaro mo sa NCAA. Kung may injured ka for 2 years, malaking kawalan na to para sa'yo.
Ano,
9 serving all.
yan ang tricky sa college game, ano? Kasi may limit na yung number of playing years as Lapating with the emphatic hit from the middle. How about also the ball distribution neto ni Navarra?
Ibang klase.
Diba? Busog yung mga gitna niya, maaga pa lang.
Alam mo, natutuwa akong panoorin ng JRU ngayong season. Nabate, pero overall, sila yung unang nag-technical timeout dito sa ating first set, di ba?
Against a Perpetual team that just beat Benilde in their previous game as Enrico serves. Timatawaran! Oh,
Wow.
it's another quick for JRU.
It's all about the connection, the consistency nitong JRU. And ang nakakatuwa sa kanila yung first ball. Kaya nagkakaroon ng chance itong kanilang center na mai-distribute sa lahat ng mga spikers. And in fairness naman sa mga spikers, hindi sila, kumbaga lahat sila ready umatake.
But that time, Perpetual was able to answer. 11-all tayo dito sa ating opening set. Again, it is Lakmay scoring for them. So ang mga bida sa ating opening set ay yung mga gitna. Here's Navarra.
Wow!
Oh! Back quick
Julia Dimatawaran.
para dito kay Dimatawaran.
Ang galing. Kasi naglalabanan sila ng mga middle blockers. Middle attackers right now. Kasi ang tawag natin sa kanila middle blockers. But this time, sa napapanood natin, middle attackers sila.
That's right. Dimatawaran, Lapating para sa JRU. Lagmay naman mula sa Perpetual. Shy
Tulong.
Umipon. Masyado
Too
malakas.
strong for Shy Umipon.
So JRU with the 2-point lead. Kanina isa-isa lang to.
Yeah, kung kanina nga nag-evaluate tayo dun sa standby area na naku, yung JRU, most of the players are new, mga young guns. Pero sa nakikita natin, parang sila pa yung matagal nang magkakasama, di ba?
Tsaka kumpiyansa maglaro.
Yeah, oo.
Di ba? Buong-buo yung loob. Here's Ariola with a 1-2 play. She drops it in.
Yun lang ang pagkakaiba ng medyo veteranong players compared sa mga new ones. And usually, yung comparison niyan, Martin, ang mga bago, ang lalakas ng katawan. Pero when it comes to maturity, medyo yun ang pinakakailangan pag ganitong klaseng tournament.
Yung talino na yung nade-develop mo sa loob ng court.
Diskarte, paano magbasa.
Pag nagiging veterano ka na. But, again, you mentioned the new ones are all about the power. Ito si Dimatawaran. Nakakailan na sa ating opening set.
And in fairness, dito sa mga players ng JRU, hindi lang sila basta-basta yung quick na normal na power tip. Quick talaga, quick spike. Pinapalo nila yung mga bola.
Mukhang isa yan sa mga talagang pinagtuunan nila ng pansin nung off-season, John Vic. And that's a good weapon to have, especially here in the NCAA, because not many teams have that.
Totoo.
Diba? This time, though, Perpetual is able to score 13-14 now. Is the tally in the opening set. So, Lagmay will now be serving. So, ang front line ngayon ng Perpetual. Siyempre, ang kanilang setter, si Ariola, si Menor at si Cha Enrico. 1-2 play, this time executed by Navarra. Menor! Wow!
Hammered down the line. Jamelin
With a
Menor.
magic stare down, right? Down the line.
Wow! That was a bounce ball from Menor.
It's now
Para siya
14
nag-free
serving
spiking,
all.
no?
Oh,
Grabe.
that was a good hit. Eto, ang backset papunta kay Nicole Deana. Also, her version of a stare down.
Nicole Diana.
Gusto ko yung napapanood ko, Martin. JRU is JRU, but kung ano yung napapanood natin JRU, hindi sila basta-basta nagpapatalo at nagpapasindak dito sa Perpetual. Knowing itong Perpetual, ay tinalo lang naman ang 4-time defending champions sa CSB.
Palaban,
Palaban.
JRU.
Jamelin Menor.
Pero bumawi agad itong Perpetual. Jamelin Menor has been producing early. 15 apiece dito sa ating first set.
To start
This is
the play.
Fifi Ariola.
Yeah, Ariola.
Now her turn to serve. Ooh, faulty first ball. Deala from behind. Here's the pass to Almeñana, who scores. And Perpetual takes over the lead as we head to our second technical
It's the second
timeout.
technical timeout of the first set.
Balik sa ating laban, it is the veterans for the Perpetual Lady Altas taking over here in this stretch of the opening set. Sila Menor, Almeñana, and Lagmay.
Totoo.
Naghahalinhinan sa puntos.
Pero si JRU naman, makikita naman natin kung paano diskartehan itong si Navarra ang kanyang mga spikers. And Deyala, middle blockers,
Still at the serving
and
deck,
yung
Ian
chemistry.
Ariola.
Yun talaga ang hindi ko makakaligtaan dito sa ating first set.
Very cohesive so far ang movement ng JRU as well as Perpetual here. Here's the setup for Ramos, who's been silent so far. Ibabalik sa kanya ang bola. Nakasarado pa rin ang pintuan. This is Menor. Couldn't do it. They go back to Ramos. Off the block and in.
After this kill on the side of the
So
Lady
Lidia
Altas,
Ramos
to
ties up the
University.
match.
And what I really love dito sa JRU, ang smooth nung galaw nila.
Ah.
Napaka-smooth. Wala kang mapapansin or wala kang mafe-feel na pressure dito sa mga players sa ating
16
first set.
serving ball.
Usually first set nagkakapaan, but
Yeah.
wala ako nakikitang parang awkward moment para dito sa kupunan ng JRU.
Almost a block. Ramos with the angled hit.
Right. Attack now.
Went out. 17-16. Perpetual is back in front. Crucial stretch of the opening frame.
Ay kung mapapansin natin si Coach Sandy,
Gemini
hindi siya
Menor
mapakaling
serving for the Lady Altas.
hindi niya pwedeng ibigay itong first set sa JRU.
Gitgitan tayo. Yonko off speed. Lozano keeps it up. It's a chance ball para sa Lady Bombers. They go back to Ramos. Ariola. They go to the 5. Almeñana couldn't convert. Oh, that's a denial. Ramos
Into the net.
off speed.
Yep.
Kinapush lang.
Yep. Two attack errors from JRU. 3-point naman to para sa Perpetual.
And a quick timeout
The Lady Bombers.
called by Coach Mia Chuseco. They don't want to let go of this opening set.
Okay? Tapos yung kanina, easy ball, regalo, paluin mo na. Girls, stay aggressive tayo. Okay? Tara.
India tayo.
India.
Laban na.
Dalawang blockers.
Dahan-dahan tayo. First one muna.
Well, basically, itong timeout ni Coach is just for, pangpatanggal lang, pangpagpag lang. Dahil yung positioning nito mga players, even the blockers and the floor defense ay nandoon. Pero hindi nila nako-convert sa magandang atake at sa point.
Perpetual. Abante ng dalawa. That's what
It's now 18
JRU is looking to
16.
address.
Oops!
Oh, there's
Yeah.
an unforced error
That's
on
a
the side of
positional fault
JRU.
on the side of the center side of University.
Yeah.
There was a rotational error. That's not what they wanted to see. Hold on. Yeah, 19-16 ang ating talaan. Ooh, Dongka
That's an
unable
ace.
to pick it up
Gemini
properly.
Menor.
So a service ace by Menor.
Ganda ng targeting niya doon.
Niwas nga dito kay
outside
Karabot.
na, halos outside na din. But hindi nga lang nabasa ng mabuti.
Set up here to the middle. Nabasa na ni Enrico. Remember, she had 5 blocks against Benild. Almeñana will try, and she will score down
Down
the
the
line.
line. Sai
Yun,
Almeñana.
para kay Almeñana. Kala ko galing niya sa back row.
Oo nga eh.
Grabe yung talon niya.
Halos back row na yun.
Still at the serving deck for the Lady
Almeñana
Altas.
is
Gemini
able to
Menor.
connect. Continuing her hot start in the season. Ramos from the other side this time. Opposite din para dito sa Perpetual. They go back to, this time it's Yonko who is able to score and stop the run.
Ito yung badly needed na score na puntos. Kung kanina pa nila ginawa to Martin, medyo nag-iba sana yung story nitong first set. But hindi pa tapos. Pwede pa magbago to.
Number 3 out,
Lalong
number
isip,
19.
entering the game for the first time. This is Rayan Lalong Isip, backup setter ng JRU. So we'll see if she can make a difference. Dahil nag-ahabol sila dito. Ariola, kombinasyon, but Mariana was looking for a check, but it was not given. And Coach Sandy will
Ladies and
use
gentlemen, there's a
one of
challenge
his
on the call
two
for block
challenges
touch.
here in the opening
Challenge,
set.
Block touch by the Perpetual
Ang call
Lady
ng ating
Altas.
first referee was outside, pero ang call dapat ng ating second referee may check ball. So sinigurado lang ni Coach Sandy kung talaga may block touch or wala.
Perfect time to use the challenge, John Vic, kasi 21-17 na if you lose one, if it's unsuccessful,
Yeah.
okay lang. May isa ka pa kung sakaling dumulo to.
Totoo, napaka-importante niyan, most especially sa end part ng every set dahil nagbabago eh. Kung babalikan natin yung game ng Perpetual against Benil, kung sa statistics lang ang pag-uusapan natin, napakalayo nung score when it comes to attack and blockings ng CSP. But ang nanalo ay Perpetual.
That's right.
So, ibig sabihin, breaks of the game, minsan timing is very important. Naka-timing sila sa 5th set and 4th set eh. So, iba yung naging kwento para sa Altas.
Also, what I like about Perpetual in that game against Benilde, they were sure of themselves. Hindi ka nakakita ng takot, hindi
Yeah.
sila narate, lalo
Hindi
dun sa
na-intimidate.
Oo. Yung mga moments sa mataas ang pressure, wala, steady sila. Confident sila dun sa ginagalaw nila. So, we'll see if there's a block touch. So, if there was a block touch, it's a 5-point lead for Perpetual. Here's the attack.
Meron.
Meron. Good call.
Ring finger.
So, successful
There is a
challenge
block touch. The
by
challenge of the Lady
Coach
Altas is
Sandy
successful.
Rieta.
They have 2 more remaining
And now,
challenge in this
Perpetual
set.
is ahead by 5. Tying their biggest so far. Villanueva will come in.
Substitution for the Lady Altas. Number 2 out, number 6, Alexi
Martin, yung
Villanueva
mga ganung
in.
block touch, mga na-block ka, medyo acceptable pa yun eh. Pero yung mga unforced errors na before mag-start tong first set, sinasabi ko, consistency is the key for JRU. But
to the
pagdating
Lady
dito sa
Altas.
end part, medyo dami nilang nakumit na unforced errors.
That's right. Eto. They'll bring it across. This is Lakmay sending it through. She's been
Uses it
the
through.
go-to player, at least here in the first set for Perpetual. We have seen a lot of quicks executed by Perpetual. It's another timeout by Coach Mia.
Hindi pa tapos. Isa-isa tayo, isa-isa. Okay? One good reception, run natin yung play, okay? Pag-defense natin, blockers, alert lang, alert, okay? Tara.
Back to basic, according to Coach.
So, Coach Mia trying to salvage the situation here. 23-17 dahil pagdating natin nung second technical timeout,
Alexi
isa lang yung
Villanueva
abante
serving for
ng
the Lady
Perpetual.
Altas.
Dun umalagwa ang Lady Altas pagkatapos nun.
Nagkasunod-sunod yung mga errors nila and
Yeah.
mas nakita natin yung mas na-organize itong Perpetual. Kapag nakakuha sila ng opportunity, they take yung advantage na magkaroon ng 3-point na galing sa JRU.
Pero ito, si Ramos
And on deck to serve.
stopping the bleeding.
Sabina Ramos.
And she will now proceed to serve. So they have Yonko and Deyala talking about JRU at the front line. Almeñana went back to their side. This is Deyala approaching. Lozano brings it to Ariola. Lagmay again. On the quick.
The fly hammers it down.
set point para sa Perpetual.
Ibang klase si Ariola sa pagbabasa ng mga blockers ng JRU.
The Perpetual Lady
Kita-kita
Altas
niyang isa
are
lang
one
or
set point.
halos wala yung blockers nitong JRU. Kaya nabibigyan niya ng opportunity itong Quicker na magkaroon ng mas
Into the
maraming
net.
puntos. Meanwhile, Almeniana, service error.
So that's one set point saved by at least through that
Stepping
error
up on
of
the serving
Perpetual.
set for the Lady Bombers, Angelica Yonko.
Well, hindi pa tapos ang first set. Malay
pa.
natin, Martin.
Ah,
CSBN Mapua,
that's true.
49.
Tapos humabol pa
Shy.
itong Benil. But it will not happen in the opening set as Perpetual wins it 25-19. Si Shai Umipon ang tumapos ng ating first set. They also take the lead in the match, 1-0. Welcome back to the coverage. 25-19 result here in set number 1 in favor of the Perpetual Lady Altas. Again, they're battling JRU here in our first game today. Set number 1 highlights. John Vic, yung simula ng labanan
oo.
natin, dikitan.
Dikitan.
Oo.
And kung mapapansin natin sa JRU, ang ganda ng start nila eh. From first technical timeout, lamang pa sila ng isa. Second technical timeout, lamang lang ng isa din. Itong Perpetual. Pero pagdating ng mga end part, doon na nagsunod-sunod yung unforced errors nitong JRU. The reason why medyo bumaba ang moral nila compared sa Perpetual.
Lumabas din yung pagka-veterano
Oo.
netong Perpetual Lady Altas. They were led by Lagmay with 6 points in that opening set. Ito, it's important to note that in all of the 5 sets of Perpetual against Benil, she only scored 4 points. Dito, nalagpasan na niya yun sa first set pa lang.
Well, alam naman natin na itong mga teams na to, nagsa-scout yan eh. Pinapanood nila yung games before nila makalaban. And I'm sure itong Perpetual talagang pinag-aralan nila kung ano magiging defense pattern nitong JRU. As we can see, attacks talaga umangat para sa Perpetual. 19 compared sa 13 nitong JRU. And yung errors kasi sabi ko nga, it's all about timing. Minsan yung timing ng errors na binibigay mo is sa end part, medyo mahirap yun makabangon.
Lalo kung dikitan yung
Altas
laban.
take
We're
number
live right
7
now,
with
by the way.
scores
We thank you for joining us
25-19.
via Heart of
Continuing to
Asia.
lead the match,
Also,
1-9.
online, nandyan tayo sa GMA Sports PH on Facebook, X, and on IG. Mahanap nyo rin po kami sa NCAA Philippines on Facebook,
Opening the
YouTube,
second set,
and on
Ian
Instagram.
Ariola.
We proceed to the second set of this battle between JRU and Perpetual. Lady Altas carrying a 1-0 lead as Almeniana adjusts that time. This is the start of our second frame. Menor bumalik. Menor again, going for the off-speed. Deyala, siya yung pumasa kay Ramos. Back set to Almeniana, who finally ends the rally.
But if there's one thing na medyo na-observe ko dito sa game ito, palagi nila binibigay kay Ramos ang bola. But itong floor defense ng Perpetual mukhang aral na aral kung saan yung direction ng palo niya. And if I were Navarra, I think pagdating naman kay Deyana, nahihirapan itong Perpetual na bantayan yung mga palo. So, kailangan niya lang paikutin yung bola.
Should be the adjustment for JRU. Tulad ng
She's
sinabi
serving
natin
nine.
kanina nung pre-game, di ba? After pouring 21 points against San Sebastian, panigurado, ikaw yung pag-ahanda ng kabilang team.
Yeah, for sure yan. And, hindi siyempre mapapayag ang Perpetual knowing Coach Sandy na alam mo yun, makaisa or makahanap ng
Stepping
butas
up on the
ito
serving deck
JRU.
for the Lady Bombers.
Pero
It's
dito,
Kyla
atake
Navarra.
ni Ramos yung cross-court. And it went through 2 blockers that time.
Or maybe siguro, Martin, kung nababantayan man itong si Ramos, maybe si Ramos na yung gumawa ng paraan kung ano yung magiging attack niya, kung saan niya dadalhin. Kasi that's the only way para makapag-adjust eh.
Katulad nun, di ba? Nakasarado, nandun si Enrico. This time, going down the line, lumusot.
Nice.
It's Ramos waiting up top.
Zarina Ramos.
And nakakatuwa dahil this time, kanina panay cross-court ang palo ni Ramos. Gumagamit na siya ng down the line hit and
It's now 2 serving all.
yung first point niya ay successful para sa JRU.
And maybe she can also do drop balls eventually. Ooh! Lagpas to. Regalo.
Wow!
And Yonko takes care of it.
Angelica Yonko.
3 straight points para sa JRU.
Tignan natin to. Tumawid yung habol ni Ariola. And then Yonko just putting it down. You mentioned JRU overtaking here in the start of set 2. But
Ayun na, sinasabi natin. Na papaunahin yung mga quickers then suddenly bibigyan na ng combination play.
eto dito yung mga attackers ng Perpetual. Grabe yung experience. Imagine you have Almeñana, may Gemaline Minorca who committed the service error. Tapos, John Vic, may siya yung umipod ka pa na tried and tested.
Grabe. Mga powerful spikers.
Yeah.
And in fairness, itong nangyayari sa Perpetual, yung mga middle attackers nila ay
Yun
napaka-aggressive. So,
Hindi pa nga natin minimension yung mga middle attackers doon,
Totoo.
di ba? Kaya kumpleto sila. And this time, they'll score the point. So JRU will ask
Ladies and
for...
gentlemen, there's a challenge
Sure,
on
block
the
touch.
goal for
Yeah.
block touch by Jose Rizal University.
So tignan natin. Yung mga judgment calls na ganito, John Vic, I think I mentioned it in a previous coverage. Dati, nung wala pang challenge, automatic ang ruling not over. Di ba? Hindi tumawid. Kasi yun ang nakikita nung mata mo. Napakabilis sa mga nangyayari. Yan. Pero, nung nagkaroon na ng challenge, usually, may touch. Di ba? Pag umabalik na gano'n.
yeah, totoo yan. Minsan magugulat ka na lang for you kung ano yung napanood mo. Walang touch yan kasi sa net tumama. Ganyan. Nung review, meron palang touch. Kahit konting lang meron. So, malaking impact yung nagkaroon tayo ng challenge dahil kahit papaano hindi napapasukan rin kasi minsan iniisip kasi ng mga player na yung referee kampi dun sa isang team kasi laging yung mga tawag niya doon, laging pumapabor. So this time, dahil may challenge na tayo, makikita natin yung pagkakaiba.
Wala
Diba?
nang question.
Walang
kumbaga.
question. Oo.
Yan. So, this is a thorough review they're doing on this call.
Medyo tight yun. Yeah.
Kasi dati talaga, matik yan. Not over. Not over. Not over.
Even the block touch na nag-outside, let's say ako pumalo outside, yun ang nakita ng referee. Pero pag nireview mo, meron kahit kaunting check and nagmamatter yun.
Ito. Oh yeah, there was a
Meron.
touch.
Yeah. Sinasabi natin na kahit konti lang meron.
So, it's still in
Upon review,
favor
there
of
is a block touch.
Perpetual.
The challenge is unsuccessful for Jose Rizal University. They have
Because
one
there
more
was
remaining
a touch
challenge in
from
this
a JRU
set.
blocker.
Point and serve to the
Unsuccessful
Lady
ang
Owls.
challenge ni Coach Mia.
Nabawasan ng isa yung challenge ni Coach for this set.
Ramos going cross court, but it was dug up. Almeñana scores.
Sai Almeñana.
Grabe yung Cyril Almeñana.
Yeah.
She's on a mission this season. Grabe Grabe rin yung
Still
mga
at the serving
susundan niya kasi.
Teresa
A couple years
Taylor.
ago, they had
Yeah.
the MVP, itong si Mary Rose Dapol. And a line of perpetual spikers.
At hindi lang spikers, talagang scorers.
Yan, yeah. True.
Ibang klase yung mga yan.
Steve cross court.
So 6-4, this is how quickly Perpetual can turn things around by just going to Almeñana.
3 straight points para sa Perpetual.
It's now 6.
Enrico.
Serving 4.
Will begin. Grabe yung serve na yan ni Enrico.
Wow.
And it results to
It's
an
an
ace. So Enrico, middle blocker. Sharp on this serve.
Ganda ng serve.
7. Serving 4.
Navarra. Over
Wow.
to Di Matawaran.
Julia Di Matawara.
So Di Matawaran now from the 4th spot.
Sana mag-iba lang yung
Now on
takbo
the serving deck,
nung mga
Zelina
ginagawa
Ramos.
nitong JRU dahil may first ball sila eh.
Meron,
May first ball sila. It's just that hindi nila ma-convert to
It's
point
an
yung mga
ace for
attacks.
Ramos.
They scored 2 straight. Ramos with the ace. And even targeting Lozano.
And
the
score
libero.
6-7.
Good pickup this time by Lozano. Omipon went off speed. Deyala
Into the net.
went back to their side.
It's
So
the first
Perpetual
technical timeout of the
will
second
carry a
set.
2-point
Running
lead
score.
going into our break. Pagbalik po natin. We'll hear a report from Miss Flo Del Agua.
Let us continue the women's volleyball action here. Mabuhay mga kapuso. This is still the NCAA Season 101 at NCAA fans. Alam nyo, may natutunan akong bagong salita sa huddle ng JRU Lady Bombers. Sigaw kasi nila kanina, kalma matter lang muna tayo. Ito yata yung kumalma muna at maglaro lang para sa kanilang school. It is their way of shaking those nerves off. Kaya dagdag pa ni Coach Mia Chuseco, buuin din natin yung confidence. Hindi pwedeng kalahati lang, hindi pwedeng 3/4, nothing but 100% as they redeem themselves here in the second set. Gentlemen.
Nicole
Thank you so much, Flo.
Oo.
Word synergy yun ah. Kalma matter.
Kalma matter. Oo.
Ayun ah.
Tama naman, kalma. Pero wag ka namang sobrang kalma.
Huwag sobra.
play.
Sakto lang.
Okay pa din yung may konting kaba.
Yan. Kasi sabihin nun,
Ayaw mong matalo, di ba?
Ayaw mo matalo. May
Natatakot-
konting gigil ka
Oo,
ba?
natatakot ka magkamali. Gusto mong manalo, di ba?
Oo. Pero, siya yung umipon. Winding up. So, in a few stretches now, siya yung pinupuntahan dito ni
Yes.
Ariola.
And in fairness din sa mga combination play kanina, dahil tinid niya ng finid yung mga middle blockers, ito na yung nagiging result. Nagkakaroon na ng konting gaps between the blockers.
Yeah. Ariola brings it to Menor, who had to adjust. It's a chance. They go to Deyala. Nandun si Lozano. Menor tries. Navarra. Back to Deyala. Again Lozano saving it. Back row attack. Oh, Navarra keeping it
Wow.
alive. Napaganda ba para sa JRU?
Yun yung mga unexpected set. Hindi kasi out of position na siya, Martin.
Oh, yeah.
Kaya nagawa niya pa ng maraan.
Ano nga lang eh, kaya siya naging pasa. Kasi dumaplis lang yung
For
bola.
the Lady Bombers,
Diba?
Julia Di Matawara.
8-9. JRU keeping in step with Perpetual. Menor
Wow.
goes through the block.
Off the hands, Jamalin Menor.
Gemalyn Menor. Again, kahit sino yung napupunta. Then sa open side for Perpetual. Can score. Yeah, that's a hard coverage for JRU's blockers.
And in fairness, dito sa kanilang libero na si Lozano, ibang klase yung ano niya, yung pagbabasa niya ng
Yeah.
attacks. Itong JRU.
Oh, Ariola. Inabutan,
That's
but
good for
had
Rosetta
difficulty
University.
keeping the ball alive. So it remains a 1-point lead for the Lady Altas. Nicole Deala is able to score. And she also serves for JRU. Ariola. Oh, Menor from the middle this
Pierces
time.
through the hands. Gemini
Good red
Menor.
sana para dito sa JRU, but paminsan-minsan nagkakaroon ng lapses sa mga coverage. Kasi considering ng mga attackers, hayaan mo silang umatake, bumlock yung mga blockers, pero kailangan merong support sa floor.
Pero
Zarina Ramos.
JRU nakikipagbawian. Niña Ramos flies in for the kill.
And kung mapapansin mo, lahat ng inatake niya, halos lahat ng inatake niya, papuntang cross-court,
Now,
inidepensa ng
Kyla
Perpetual.
Navarra.
And this time, second time around ko nang nakita na nag-down the line siya and nakapuntos.
Oh, Enrico
Again.
swipes it in. Yeah, only one
That's
blocker
support
Yeah.
for the Lady Altas.
has to defend
To
this.
10.
Ito si Lapating lang yung nandun.
It's a good sign for
Now, on the
JRU
serving set,
dahil
Javelin Minor.
nababasa nila yung play nitong Perpetual.
Deala with the pickup. Navarra over to Yonko. Sent back by Perpetual. They go to the pipe. Ariola with a massive dig. Omipon scores!
Sai
Alam mo, in
Umipon
fairness dito kay
sends it to the
Umipon.
end line.
Paminsan kahit off-timing na siya,
13 to 10.
she knows where to put the ball.
Yeah.
Hinaharap niya yung kamay ng mga blockers at doon niya papapuntahin kung saan yung pagitan.
Malayo kung paano po siya nagsimula sa NCAA na
Diba?
talagang kargadong-kargado kada atake.
Oo.
Di ba?
This time, smart play na.
Oh, but JRU answers right back here off that, I would say, a broken play for both teams. A lot of transition plays here. Yonko was able to score off the block.
For Rosetta Zal
Nakakatawa to
University.
JRU kasi most of the players are young guns pero yung pinapakita nila
May
kakaiba.
puso,
Oo, may puso.
This is Enrico scoring from the middle.
That's a quick point.
And well
for
organized.
Teresa May.
Yeah, right after the point from napunta sa Perpetual, hindi sila nagkakaroon ng frustrations. Kumbaga, back to work agad.
Next play. Navarra. Ooh, difficult pass right there. A chance for Perpetual here. They go to the open Almeñana. And Perpetual has now
Timeout.
established a
Rosetta Zal
4-point
University.
lead in the second set. Almeñana. That's good recognition from Ariola. Nakakumpul dito sa kabilang JRU. Dinala kay Almeñana.
Pero, huwag natin bitawan. 1 point at a time. Okay? A little bit more aggressive. Tara, sa depensa, sa opensa. Okay? Let's go!
Yeah, that's true. Dahil nakakascore naman sila ng 3 straight points, 2 straight points. Medyo nagkakaroon lang din ng lapses pagdating sa depensa at saka sa atake. Yun yung naglalak sa kanila right now dahil nakaka-first ball naman sila eh.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, hindi natin maaalis sa kupunan ng Perpetual na talagang tinatrabaho din nila. Nag-a-adjust sila. Kung mag-a-adjust ang
Now on the
JRU
serving
pagdating
set for the Lady Altas,
sa attack,
Teresa
mag-a-adjust din sila sa
May
depensa. So, ganun kabilis itong adjustment ng Perpetual.
That's right. Oh, that's a good response after the timeout.
Zarina
A point
Ramos.
care of Ramos. So, they needed that. Talking about JRU. Kasi lumalayo na yung
And
Perpetual.
serving, Zarina
And that time,
Ramos.
she went over Lagmay. Good first ball. Ariola choosing Omipon. Deala. Fifi. Back set this time to Almeñana. Oh, the quick for Di Matawaran.
Hammer down, Julia.
In fairness dito sa mga middle blockers ng JRU, hindi man sila kasing tangkad, ng mga middle blockers ng Perpetual ba?
Yeah.
Yung tapang at lakas ng
It's
atake
now
nila
13
nandun.
serving 15.
Tsaka, ayun o, dalawa yung capable sa kanila. Si Lapating at saka si Di Matawaran of those quicks. Almeñana. In the meantime, no
It's the
problem
second technical
on that
timeout
attempt.
of the second set.
And that will
Run
lead
score,
us to our
16
second
for the
break here
Perpetual Lady Altas.
in the second set. Balik sa ating laban. You guys are watching the matchup between JRU and Perpetual. Only our first offering of the day. First set po natin, panalo ang Perpetual.
Substitution for
You guys
the
are
Lady
watching
Altas.
from Art of Asia, GMA Sports PH online. Also on NCAA
Number 5,
Philippines.
Reyes in.
Nandyan po yung live stream natin.
Oo, pumasok naman itong si Kaa and si Reyes para sa kapunan ng Perpetual.
So, double sub for Coach Sandy Rieta, giving opportunities to the second stringers, Lozano. Here's the attack, nothing there. And they go back to Nicole. Lozano. Omipon with the push. Back to Deyala right here. Lozano was waiting. Omipon scores.
Grabe. Yeah. Ibang klase.
Omipon.
Magbasa si Lozano. Diba?
17,
Kung
13.
ikaw ay nanonood ng live right now, iba yung palo na binibigyan ng JRU. But still, itong si Lozano parang nakatayo lang siya, tatapatan niya lang yung bola. And parang yung lakas ay nawala pagdating sa kanya.
Correct. Tibay ng depensa,
Serving
no?
for the Lady Altas.
This is Lozano. Now the first line libero for Perpetual as she carries this one to Omipon. Lagmay. Nasa likod si Ramos. Deyala tries and she scores through two.
Down the line, Nicole Diana.
1 point at a time para kay Deyala. Iba din kasi talaga yung defense pattern nitong Perpetual. Yung sa blockings pa lang mahihirapan ka na eh. Iwas mo sa mga blockers, nandun naman si Lozano. So, kailangan mas mahaba at mas malaki yung vision mo sa court para makagawa ka ng paraan pumuntos.
And Deyala is not stopping though. That is covered still by Lozano. Buhay pa. Yonko. Back to Nicole. Popped up by Menor. Here's the attack. Alonia. Navarra. Going to Yonko. Nasa likod pa rin si Gemalyn Menor. Shai Omipon.
Wow.
Again, placement. Attack for Omipon.
Grabe. Ano ba tama yung sinasabi mo kanina? Nung unang napanood natin si Omipon, napaka-powerful player and spiker nito. But this time around, ibang klase. More on a smart play,
Correct. Yeah.
drop ball, and malakas na palo. Isang puntos lang naman, sabi niya.
Veteran na. Itong
Yeah.
si Shai Omipon. But JRU is able to retaliate. Let's check out Nicole Deyala.
Pasok naman si
Yeah.
Dungka.
Dungka.
Bianca Dungka.
Si
Para
Nicole,
service, oh.
Nicole
Start the play.
Deyala kahit bantay siya nga
Bianca
doon.
Dungka.
Hindi siya tumitigil. Diba?
Grabe, yan yung powerful player
Yeah.
right now na nakikita natin.
Hindi nawawala ng loob. Oh, Menor. Si Deyala yung kumuha nun. This is a chance ball for Perpetual. Lozano brings it to her setter. That's a combination. And Menor connects.
Wow. Doon sa play na yon ni Ariola, makikita mo, nahihirapan. As in, nahihirapan itong mga blockers ng JRU.
Look at
Hindi
this.
nila alam kung sino babantayan nila.
Kasi si Lagmay nagpadigoy. This time she commits the service error.
Ups.
So, just a 3-point lead. Let's see if may kapit dito ang JRU. technical.
Less error lang.
Ah.
Less error.
Nicole
Nasa
Diana
harap para sa
serving.
JRU sila Pating at Ramos.
Wow!
Miscommunication, that's rare. Gaa going to
That's a miss
Enrico.
here inside the perpetual Lady Altas. Plus
So,
1,
17-19.
Usarizan University.
It's Gaa pala right now
Yeah.
sa side of Perpetual.
I wonder when Coach Sandy will reinsert Fifi Ariola. But right now, they're looking good,
Menor
20 to
sends it to the
17.
end line.
This is another
Substitution.
decoy play for Perpetual.
Number 5 out, number 12, Ariola in.
Ang kakasabi ko
18
na,
out,
ito na,
number
bumalik na
7.
si Fifi Ariola alongside Cyril Almeñana.
It's now 20, serving 17.
2017. Karabot. Solid first ball. Lapating is able to convert.
Ang ganda ng first ball nila, Martin.
That's a
As
point
in,
from
mapakaganda ng first ball nila
University.
JRU. Talagang nasa spiker na, nasa setter na yung magiging judgment kung makakakuha ng puntos o hindi.
Kaya napapadali yung trabaho ni Navarra, no?
Oo.
With her passing. Oh. Oh! Almeñana!
Pierces it through the wall.
She is
Grabe
on
yung
it
pa-
today.
Combination play.
Dalawa pa.
Binasag niya yung mga blockers, Martin.
That's right. 21-18. Navarra. Papunta kay Yonko. Ramos. Popped up by Menor. They go to Shai Omipon, who scores off the block.
Off the block. Shai Omipon.
22-18. And in these moments, alam na pumorsyento nung Fifi Ariola and how she'll blend the scoring. Timeout for Coach Mia.
Diba, wala tayong magagawa eh. Nandun eh. Nakasiksik na eh. Then, kunin natin dito. Ready yung dito natin na depensa. Okay? Tsaka natin kailangan yung magsalita.
Hey, who's say?
Coach Mia, well, telling her players all about the net defense of
Yeah.
Perpetual.
And also yung positioning ng floor defense. Kasi ang tendency kasi kapag hindi, yan gaya niyan, tumalon silang dalawa,
It's now
dumaan
22
sa gitna.
serving 18.
So, dapat yung mga blockers, they have to make sure na kung ano yung pattern, yung defense pattern, yun ang susundin nila. Kasi kung nakasarado lang na maayos at nakasunod lang sa defense pattern, yung libero nakaready lang naman sa cross court eh. So, yun nagiging problem sa JRU.
Hammers it down.
They respond well after the timeout. Ramos connecting. It's a three-point lead.
University.
Lalong isip.
Number 3 out,
At
number
Di
19.
Matawaran.
Julia Di
3
Matawaran
points
in.
na to, Martin.
Ito si Lalong
Number
Isip.
6 out,
Papalitan si
number
Lapating.
14. Richard Lalong Isip in.
Okay. Let's see.
And serving for the Lady Bombers.
Checking in again to serve for JRU. Hold on.
Double checking lang nung
Mga posisyon ng player.
oo.
Okay. We resume.
Once again, serving for the Lady
3
Bombers.
points up ang
Richard
ating
Lalong Isip.
Perpetual team.
Lozano. A good pass to Ariola. And that leads to a clean Enrico hit.
Attack.
Yeah.
Teresa May
Yan ang problem kapag tinarget mo ang isang libero. Then ang libero ay naka-ready. So ang tendency niyan magkakaroon ng magandang set itong center. And at the same time, mapapadali sa mga spiker humanap ng butas. Kung especially itong mga middle blockers natin.
Grabe yan. Emphatic hit by Enrico to counter
And serving,
Villanueva.
Liz Villanueva.
Back in the game to serve. Here's Yonko. Nice dig coming from Villanueva. Almeñana.
Yep. Not over.
Yeah. Went straight
That's
to the
4
net.
hits inside of the Perpetual
So
Lady
this is not
Altas.
yet done in the second set.
Less error.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's a challenge on the call.
Yeah.
for
may
block
challenge
touch
tayo.
May challenge.
by the Perpetual Lady Altas.
Ayan, nagkaroon ng... Siyempre, part din yan na minsan nakikita natin wala talaga but just to cut the momentum.
Okay.
Kasi minsan yung 1 point na yun, parang nagiging ano yun opportunity para itaas yung moral di ba?
Yeah. Correct. That's the side purpose of a challenge as we see.
Yep.
The Lady Altas enjoying the
Dancing,
music. Yan. Diba?
Pero kung ayun
Oh,
ang pep squad ng JRU.
bringing the energy here in San Andres. Yan. Seryoso yung
Seryoso,
JRU.
yeah. We need to win this set. Parang gano'n.
Dehado kasi sila. So, serious mode muna.
Pero for me, it's... There was no block touch. For me lang
Okay.
Well, again, kaya nga may challenge para makita natin yung totoong nangyari.
Okay. This was the sequence.
Medyo malayo kasi dun sa mga blockers dahil super sharp cross ng palo ni Almeniana. So malayo.
Yeah.
Kapag
Upon
naroon ng
review,
checkpoint.
there is no block
No
touch.
touch.
The challenge of the
So,
Lady Altas is
Sandy.
unsuccessful.
Patawa-tawa lang si Coach Sandy. Pero alam ko yung plano ni Coach Sandy.
Oh.
Set.
Nagpakasakali
Point
lang.
to Sarizal
Lang na
University.
momentum.
Oh,
Ganon.
Tama. Tsaka malay mo. Di
Oo,
ba?
yeah.
So, 23,
20.
20 na. Yung talaan natin, supposedly. Almeniana
Almeniana.
will not be denied.
Yeah. Pero good thing about these players na Perpetual, especially ito si Ariola, pinapabawi niya yung mga players kapag nagkakaroon ng kung na-block, kung nagka-error. So, hindi niya hinahayaang bumaba yung moral.
Set point na para sa Perpetual.
Wow.
Quick for
Through
the
the block,
Matawaran.
Julia de Matawaran.
Ang ganda rin ng connection itong si Navarra kay Di Matawaran. Wala pa yata ako nakikitang nag-drop ball niya si Di Matawaran.
Yeah.
Lahat pinapalo niya. Oh.
And Angelica Yonko to
Diin.
serve.
Tignan natin kung makakakapit pa ang JRU. Oh, they bring it to Omipon here, who gives up a chance ball. Navarra setting up Deyala. Lozano with the pickup. Omipon nasa likod. Si Alonia. Back to the goal. Lozano popping it up. Steady defense from Lozano on the floor. Deyala denied. Di Matawaran. Back to the goal. Rally continues. 1-2 play. Track down by Alonia. Ito si Yonko. Ariola to the middle.
Oh!
And Lagmay ends the set.
Ends the exchange.
Longest rally came in the last play here in the second set.
Iiwasan niya sana yung bola Nag-alala siya, nagdalawang isip siya. Sa mga pagkakataon na ganito, kailangan sure ka. Na pag kukunin mo, huwag ka na magdalawang isip pa.
So it results to another Perpetual set win, 25-19, 25-21. They take a commanding 2-0 lead.